welcome to Natural Aura Essence. I'm here today to do a makeup unboxing from MAC, which is my favorite, all-time favorite cosmetic line that I've been using for years and years and years. So if you're interested, please stay tuned. So, I just opened the box. Here it is here. And I basically just got the general stuff that I normally get. The only difference is they had a special going on for Black Friday, and they gave me some extra treats, so that's why I decided to make a video. I normally get the full coverage, which is perfect for birthmarks. This is the one brand that I found that works for coverage, full coverage for birthmarks, which I have on my right side of my face. So I love this because it blends perfectly with my natural skin tone, and you really don't really see the makeup. It's a really natural look. So that's why I actually love this. I stopped wearing the powder. I used to wear C6, the Studio Fix powder, but because I'm aging, they say not to use powder on your skin because it kind of draws out the wrinkles and it makes you look older than what you are. So this is a cream foundation, so I've been really just I dropped the powder that I used to wear over this, and now I'm just using I use a primer as a base, and then I add this as my foundation. And so the gift, what is this? This is too cute. They didn't say that I was gonna get this. What? This is like a Christmas present. This was not in the, look at this. How cute is this? How do you open this? It is like a case. This is adorable. Oh my gosh, this is too cute. Oh my gosh, they did not say I was gonna get this. I am a MAC lover. Y'all don't understand. I've been wearing MAC since, I'm gonna date myself, but my boyfriend introduced me to MAC way back in the late 90s. Oh my gosh. Okay. They gave me, this is another gift. So they gave me 3 options, and these are the colors. I got Ruby Roo, Teddy, Velvet Teddy, and Mehr. I think that's how you pronounce it, M-E-H-R. And then it comes with a brush. So I know Ruby Roo. I had this color. I've heard about Velvet Teddy, and that was a very popular color. I've never heard of this color, but I like neutrals and pinky colors, so I know that would go well with my skin tone. This is another gift. So, let me look at this. Okay, these are the actual colors. So this is Mehr. And it's a cute little mini. Look at this. Perfecto, perfecto. This is so cute to put him drop in my purse because Lord knows I carry such a big bag and I can't afford to put a whole lot of makeup. Like, y'all don't understand, every day I carry such a big purse. So this is perfect size for me. And this is a lip gloss, the mini lip gloss. So this I'm used to. That just makes you super glossy, very chic, very sleek, and you just look on point. So you will see me wearing that. And then the last, I still have more stuff in the box. This is Mini Mac Length Mascara. Girl, I hardly ever wear mascara, but I do need a mascara because I never wear it. So I'm gonna be ready for the holidays. So I'm looking forward to this, and it's such a cute little bottle. Let me open this to see. I wanna see, I'm very into the wand. Look at that. Yeah, that looks like it's gonna go on really super thick. And so that's the eye mascara. I have a thing with lashes. I love lashes, but anything around my eyes, I kind of freak out. But I am gonna be wearing that mascara. Now I have my all-time chestnut lip liner, which y'all know that is a staple for MAC wearers, lip liner. And I have my favorite strobe cream. This gives you like such a beautiful glow under your makeup. You put this on, put your primer, put your foundation. I mean, put your primer, put your strobe cream, and then layer it on top of the foundation. And it look not on top. I mean, this goes underneath the foundation, and it gives your skin such a natural golden. I always get the golden. They have peach and they have a pink color, but I love the gold. And it's not too. I just kind of put it. I don't put it all over my face. I usually put it on my cheeks and a little bit on my forehead and a little bit on my nose. And it just gives you a natural glow, and it's kind of shimmery, a little bit shimmery. So it's just, and it feels good on your skin. It actually moisturizes like a cream. So I love wearing this strobe cream. So I ran out of it quite a while ago. The only thing I wish they would do is change the bottle into a pump, because when it gets low, it's hard to squeeze out of the bottle. But so I usually have to cut this and scoop it out. So that's what, but I like the shape of the bottle. It's very sleek. I like the design of the bottle. I just wish it came in a pump. And this here is Hyperreal Fresh Canvas. I've been wanting to try they gave me a sample. So it's the cream to foam cleanser, and I've been wanting to try this. It's quite pricey, so I definitely appreciate getting a sample to try it on my skin first. So if I do like it, this would be a future purchase. So yeah, this is something that I'm definitely gonna try, probably at nighttime when I don't have to use so much to, well actually maybe I'll do it in the morning when I don't have any makeup on, so I can actually really feel how it's gonna work on my face. So yeah, I don't want to use it where I'm taking off the makeup. I want to use it fresh in the morning. So I'll probably try this tomorrow morning, Sunday morning. And then the last thing I have is, this is something new. I usually buy the Fix It, but this one is Stay Over. So this is a new to their line, I believe, and it is alcohol-free, long-lasting setting spray. So this one is lasting for 24 hours. And it's liquid, and so this is the finishing setting spray that you spray on after you for you to set your makeup. So, and it's alcohol free. So I'm looking forward to that, because sometimes I notice my makeup, especially because I wear glasses, some of the makeup gets underneath, right on the ridge of my glass and on the frame, and then it's like slides. So I'm hoping that this will kind of stabilize my makeup, so it's not, kind of rubbing or, wearing down during the day, that it will help just keep my makeup in place. So this is it. As you can see, the box is empty. Nothing else in the box. That's it. And so I've been needing to refresh all of my makeup. So this is the perfect thing for the new year, baby. Getting it together. So we will see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. And yeah, happy holidays and God bless.